Hi my beautiful people, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. Alright, so if you're joining us for the very first time, you are highly welcome. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove dark neck. Now for some reasons, is actually dark neck comes when you actually expose yourself to sun, or when you don't take your bath mostly in the evening. The deaths build up around there, and also it becomes so dry that place gradually becomes really darker than your other skin. So this treatment, which is actually 100% natural, would help to gently get rid of dark neck, and also it is natural. Alright, so you have to be consistent in applying it and give it a little time to work out for you, and yeah, it's just going to do that. So if you want to know what comprises of my treatment, please do continue watching, and don't forget to thumbs up this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, turn on the bell icon beside the subscribe button, so you will be the very first person to be notified when I upload a new video, and also share the video. Follow me on Instagram right there, and yeah, drop your personal, curious or beauty questions on my website. The link will be somewhere at my comment section and also at my description box. Alright guys, so without wasting too much of time, let's dive into this video. For my dark neck treatment, I'll be needing a sandalwood powder. Sandalwood powder helps to remove darkness around the skin. It helps for dark knuckles, dark neck, dark elbow. It helps to scrub out dead skin cells, and it also helps in unclogging the pores on the skin, therefore making the skin look glowing and younger again. And the next ingredients I'm gonna be needing for this dark neck is Fuller Earth powder or Multani Meaty. Now you can actually order this online, or you can check out on my website to get this powder. Okay, Fuller Earth powder helps in pulling out the skin. It helps also in removing dead skin cells around the skin that is resulting to dark patches. It also helps for dark neck. It helps to smooth out the skin, leaving the skin glow and even out. Now the next ingredient is lemon. And the reason why we need lemon in this treatment is because lemon contains a citric acid that helps to remove dead skin cells and also helps to rejuvenate and lighten up the skin, therefore leaving the skin beautiful and radiant. And also the next ingredient is milk. Now because milk contains a fatty acid that helps to nourish the skin, glow and polish the skin. Very helpful in removing the dead skin cells, and it's going to be very helpful for dark neck, and as such removing the dark patches on the skin. Now how we're going to be preparing this ingredient, we're going to be taking in 1 tablespoon of sandalwood powder into a bowl. And also we'll be needing a little bit of Fuller Earth powder in this treatment. So we're going to be opening that up. And then we're going to be needing half teaspoon of Fuller Earth powder. And we're going to be squeezing in the lemon into this. Now because I wouldn't need any particles, I'm going to be using a strainer to do that. Alright, so I'm going to be squeezing in the juice of the lemon. That is perfect. I'll be scooping in the milk into this treatment, and I'll be needing half tablespoon of the milk. to stir and mix all the ingredients together to give us a fine paste. Alright, so here is the treatment. If your own treatment is too thick, you can add up a little bit of water to, make it to have the consistency that you need. If it's also too liquid, you can add up a little bit of sandalwood powder. Alright, so what you do, you just grab this treatment and then you apply it on your neck. I'm actually going to be showing you how to do that with the help of my hand. Now I myself actually don't have dark neck because I have this treatment in my house, so most of the time when I'm exposed to the sun, I go back to my house, apply all of this stuff on the exposed parts of my body to avoid my neck going dark. Alright, so this is just very simple. Now when you continually apply this treatment on your dark neck for about 2 weeks, you are going to see a magnificent result. Okay, what you do is that after you've applied this treatment on all over your neck round, and then you have to massage it lightly. Massage it in a circular motion like this, and your massage has to be very lightly. You don't have to massage too much, alright, so you don't bruise your skin. A very light massage will just take off all the dead cells around that place, leave your skin looking youthful and younger. Alright, so this is just gonna be what you need. And after you've done this, you can also leave it on your skin for about 3 to 5 minutes. Then you can wash this off with a lukewarm water, and then you moisturize your skin with a very mild moisturizer. Alright, if there's any cream that is actually making your neck darker than your body, you have to stop using that cream, so to enable this treatment work, because this treatment is going to work right from the very first day you apply it. You're just going to see a little bit of result, and as you continually use it. Now consistency is the key for natural ingredients like this, okay, and this would do the job for you. Alright, go try this out. I'm sure you're going to be seeing a great results, but be patient also in doing that. Yeah guys, that's it. Basically those things are actually very natural. You can actually rub it on your neck, alright, and it's just going to gradually remove those dead build up cells that is actually making that place dark, and it's going to even it out, and your skin is going to be uniform again. So try that out and give it time to work out. Okay, alright guys, so if you do love this video, please don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe to my YouTube channel, share the video, and turn on the bell icon beside the subscribe button so you'll be notified when I upload a new video. And also follow me on Instagram. Drop your personal, curious or beauty question on my website, alright, because I'm always there to answer all of those questions. So I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys, and stay beautiful.